يا أبا صالح.
The Imam will come back mainly for three different reasons. The first reason will be a historical reason. The second reason will be a religious reason. And the third reason will be a spiritual reason. And the first reason being a historical reason is because he has to purify Islam from its past. The Muslims, right after the Prophet, corrupted Islam. They did not listen to the Prophet. They did not follow his successor. And there was a book that was written that was the truest tafsir of the Quran. It's known as Mus'haf Ali, which is also recognized by other denominations of Islam, by the way. This is not a Shi'i story. And this book was rejected by the people of that time. And so the Imam took the book and kept it, and the book is with Imam Mahdi. Okay, so the truest tafsir of the Quran is not available for us because of that. And of course, two disasters. One, the killing of the daughter of Rasulullah, and the greatest disaster was the killing of the grandson of Rasulullah. And so the Imam must return to avenge the blood of Imam al-Hussain alayhi salam, to purify Islam, because Islam and the Muslims must absolve themselves of this great sin. So the Imam must come back to avenge this. That's why you always see those banners and they say that the Imam's going to avenge the death of Abu Abdullah, and you think, is that how important that is, that the Imam's going to return at the end of days for this reason? Yes, that's how great a tragedy it was. And Islam can never be in its purified form before the Imam avenges it. That's one of the reasons. The second reason is the religious reason, that the Imam must bring back the sense of the sacred into the world after it has been lost. And that is something that we can apply today. The sense of the sacred is all but lost in the modern world. People are godless. We live in godless societies, secular societies. It's seen as something that's backwards. We spoke a little bit about this yesterday as well. And so when he returns with the revelations, the true revelations of the religions of the past. So he returns with the true gospel and the true Torah. And he returns with Mus'haf Ali as well. He returns with the seals and the different symbols of the prophets before him. And this is something that you'll find also in the narrations of the end of times, that the gospel, the true gospel and the true Torah will be found in modern day Turkey, in a cave, in a chest called Tabut as-Sakina. This chest, Tabut as-Sakina, is also something that's prophesied within Judaism and Christianity with different names. Some call it Tabut al-Rab, Tabut al-Ahd. Okay, it's an ark, a chest, it's a treasure chest. And it has all sorts of very essential items, historical items in it. One of them being the true Torah, the other being the true gospel. Okay, it comes with the people of the cave who also come at the end of times with this treasure chest. So the Imam returns to bring back true religion and the true sense of the sacred. And that's what is meant ultimately when we say that Adam is Muslim, Nuh is Muslim, Ibrahim is Muslim, Musa is Muslim, Isa is Muslim. Yes, because the true gospel and the true Torah are essentially identical to true Islam. Because all of this was one river of truth. And these were all prophets of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So when we say everyone becomes Muslim, هو الذي أرسل رسوله بالهدى ودين الحق ليظهره على الدين كله ولو كره المشركون, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent His messenger with guidance and the true religion, وَالدِّينُ الْحَقِّ, in order for it to reign supreme over all religions. Yes, Islam will reign supreme over all religions in this way, because finally the Christians will receive their true revelation. without any changes. In the true Torah, the one that Abraham and Moses intended, the one that Jesus intended, the real one, which is identical to what Allah has wanted His people and the followers of the religion to receive. So it would be hand in hand with the Quran. The ones who reject will be the stubborn ones. So they will be the ones that will ultimately want to go to war. The others will take the back seat because they will see that the world of unseen is showing them the truth and they will accept that. And finally, the spiritual reason is so that the Imam can unlock that potential in insan. That we go back to hikmah, to wisdom, and we uncover truly our aql, our intellect, our reasoning prowess, that which differentiates us from animals. That we realize our true humanity when we come towards the truth and following the Imam. Sallallahu ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
Allahumma kull waliyyin